Biosphere is made up of two components, biotic and abiotic. Biotic means living environment and abiotic means non-living environment. These two interact with each other, create a balanced life supporting environment called an ecosystem. However, a disturbance in the balance in one of the part of the ecosystem may lead to habitat and species extinction. Many of the animal species, plant species becoming extinct. Such disturbance can be result of nature or of human interference. It is important to protect the realms of the earth from degradation from reduction. Industrial emission pollute the air. Industrial effluents pollute water bodies. The waste of industries pollute the water bodies. Carbon dioxide is an important gas. However, the increase in the level of this gas has caused the temperature of the earth to rise. This is known as global warming because carbon dioxide is increasing. Human activities are causing the depletion of the ozone layer. Depletion means reduce the energy of the ozone layer. The ozone layer protects the earth from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Nature normally regenerates and purifies itself, but within a certain limit. Up to a limit, nature regenerate and purify itself. But if it disturbed too much, it will be destroyed permanently. Thus, there is an urgent need to protect nature and maintain its balance. We must use our natural resources efficiently and try to preserve our nature environment for the future generations.